Otherwise, we would have planned to come early in the morning today. Okay. But we were stuck at Ramsey.
Okay, so you came all the way from there. Chhattisgarh, wow, that's not far. हम लोग वहाँ प्लान किया लोकेशन। ओके, हम लोग 2018 से वही ऑपरेशन करते हैं। ओके, तो 2018 से हैं।